On World AIDS Day, at the beginning of this month, AIDS activists gathered in front of the White House and then marched to D.C.'s Wilson Building with a clear message for President Obama and Mayor Adrian Fenty. They said, quote, "Maintain the current flawed course and millions will die, or fix the system and they will live." The activists marched in a funeral procession to highlight what they say will be the toll of President Obama's planned flatlining of global AIDS funding in the next year's budget. Without promised funding increases, thousands will be denied access to AIDS treatment. According to a recent World Health Organization report, HIV is now the #1 killer of women of reproductive age worldwide. Global AIDS groups Africa Action and Health Gap gave President Obama a D+, having failed to deliver new funding promised when he was running for president. Jose DeMarco of ACT UP Philadelphia and Health Gap stated, quote, "Many of us around the world living with HIV had the highest of hopes for President Obama when he promised major new funding for global AIDS. In this year's budget, he didn't include that funding. Money for bankers and war gets priority, but we can't put 1/2 of 1% of that into lives and communities hanging in the balance in Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean."